Compliance Matters. Brought to you by Lenders Compliance Group.
Hello, I'm Jonathan Foxx, President and Managing Director of Lenders Compliance Group. I'd like to personally welcome you to Compliance Matters on the Mortgage News Network. Each week, we're going to show you exactly why compliance matters. Welcome to Compliance Matters. I'm Jonathan Foxx, President, Managing Director of Lenders Compliance Group. Last week, I gave you an idea, hopefully a good idea, as to why compliance matters. This week, we're going to discuss some features about compliance itself, specifically policies and procedures. So, let's get started. The most important thing that we need to deal with right up front is an acknowledgement that policies and procedures are important. They are not ancillary, they're not adjunct, they're not features that we decide to do because we like doing them. These regulations were not meant to accommodate us. We are meant to enforce them. So if we enforce them and we do it correctly, then we can move forward with appropriate compliance features associated with various different departments and functions within the financial institution. So what are these policies and procedures? Well, there are many. Is it a dozen? Is it 18? Is it 24? Is it more? In fact, it could be much more, depending upon the size, the complexity, and the risk profile of your institution. But let's just name a few, because I think you'll get a sense of what I mean when I talk about the importance of a comprehensive set of policies and procedures under the rubric of a compliance management system. So let's take a look. Consumer complaints, very important. And the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, is now directly involved in monitoring consumer complaints. The Equal Credit Opportunity Act, Regulation B, Fair Lending, Anti-Money Laundering Program, licensing, and the SAFE Act, NMLS, mortgage call reports. Then there's the ability to repay and qualified mortgages, information security and IT, Fair Credit Reporting Act, the FCRA, appraiser independence, central, loan originator compensation, of course, quality control, the quality control plan, all of the appropriate and applicable statutes associated with the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, Regulation X, all of the requirements of the Truth in Lending Act, Regulation Z, the Identity Theft Prevention Program, the Advertising Manual. Note I say advertising manual because your advertising policy should be a manual. It should be attested to as received by your employees who are affected by advertising compliance. Social media and internet, unfair or deceptive acts and practices, known as UDAP, vendor management, closing and settlement agent compliance. These are but a few. They are not meant to be on this broadcast comprehensive, but you can see they're extensive. The good news is we're going to get you through all of the regulatory requirements. Until next week, I'm Jonathan Foxx.
Lenders Compliance Group, founded by Jonathan Foxx, is the first and only full-service mortgage risk management firm specializing exclusively in outsourced mortgage compliance and offering a full suite of mortgage-related services for both banks and non-banks. Lenders Compliance Group is staffed by the industry's best team of subject matter experts who offer expertise in virtually all aspects of the industry. If you want to know more about today's topic or have additional compliance questions, get the best compliance support available by visiting Lenders Compliance Group online today.
Compliance Matters airs every Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Time and can be viewed on MortgageNewsNetwork.com.
This is Mortgage News Network.